Hello guys, this is Range Rover Evoque. This is what we found, the piston number 4 that is always soaking. As you can see this. So this is what we found on the piston number 4. This is what we found on the piston number 4. The block engine is still okay. The block engine is still okay, but I find out that the rings are gone. Then number 4 rings is broken. As you can see how it's looking. So this is what we found in the number 4. So but I'll be replacing all the pistons with brand new piston sets. Let me take you to the top cylinder. So as you can see, the top cylinder, this is number 4. You can see how it's soaked. Then you can see the number 3 fired a little. Then number 2 fired. Okay, we just move the number 1 plug. So as you can see how this one is soaked. So this is Evoque 2012, 2013. This is Evoque 2012, 2013. So this is gonna be the part 2 of this video. I will show you guys how I will install the pistons, the timing alignment mark, and then assemble of the engine. So we just choose to remove the top and the bottom plates from under. Let me take you under the car. This is under of the car, how it look like, as you can see. This is the under. So this is the primary pump, which also have its own timing, and then the piston that got bad. So this is part 2 of this video. So guys, if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Please subscribe, like my video, share my video. Thanks for watching. So watch out for the part 3 of the video, the new pistons and the new wings, and what again, the new top gasket and valve seal, and the timing alignment mark of Evoque. So guys, thanks for watching.